Hey guys, so this is probably the latest that we've ever started filming a video. It's currently 9:10 p.m. and we decided to pull our... Technically, I saw a video and I thought it was a fun idea. We've never pulled an all-nighter before. I think like the latest we stayed up is till like 3-4 a.m.
I've had a night shift where I had to work till 4 a.m. like twice.
Yeah.
And I almost died, but I just come home and knock out. But I never pulled an all-nighter for school.
Yeah.
High school, university, never.
Yeah.
So this is a bad idea.
And like all our friends know like not to text us past 11 p.m. Today may have not been the best day to film this because we woke up at 6 a.m. to like host a brunch thing with our friends.
Candace brunch.
So I'm super tired. She technically took a nap. I need everyone to note this in case my energy goes down. Like he took like a 2-hour nap, like 4 to 6.
Yeah.
I couldn't fall asleep because it was so hot outside. So like right now my eyes are kind of burning because I'm so tired, but we're pulling an all-nighter. Fireworks!
Can't see it. Oh, there it is.
Oh, don't drop my phone down the valley! Oh, the lighting is really bad, you guys. Anyways, we invited Naruja. Naruja, say hi!
Oh, wow.
Looking at fireworks.
Oh, this is so pretty.
Alright, so while Shaq took a shower, I just kind of scrolled through her Instagram. And now we're doing a face mask. What kind is it?
This is a clay oil absorbing mask. My little cousin got it for us for Christmas.
Oh yeah.
And it's the best. It actually calms down my oily skin, so that's nice.
Alright guys, so we're taking a game break, number one. So we just
11:46.
Yeah.
I'm already tired.
We decided every time we're feeling very low energy, we're gonna play a game just to kind of feel more awake. So it's 11:56, and I could feel like just my eyes are like drooping a little, like
I
because
feel
I'm so tired.
okay. I just keep yawning a lot.
We watched The Real a lot. Like that's one of our favorite shows. Yeah. And they released a game called Shoutrageous, so we decided to try playing that game. Basically, there's a bunch of categories, and you try to list as much as you can, right?
Yeah.
Lisa Vanderpump might be leaving Real Housewives. List 10 other housewives.
Candy? Is Candy a name? I don't know the housewives. Patricia, Amy, I'm naming every white name I know. Lisa. That was terrible. In celebration of Independence Day, name foods you eat on the 4th of July. Ready? Steady,
Yeah.
go.
Hot dog, hamburgers, fries, barbecue.
Steak, ribs, chips, salad, potato salad,
Jesus Christ. You don't eat Jesus. Chips.
Stop saying chips.
Ice cream cake. Pie. What is it?
Chicken, baked beans, watermelon, macaroni salad, sausage, and coleslaw.
I said hot dog.
You did. Hot dog was part of it. Hot dogs, hamburgers, ribs, and potato salad.
Dang. Different ways to learn how to cook.
Okay. YouTube, recipe books, Food Network, blogs.
online course, actual course, from a chef, Gordon Ramsay, Jamie Oliver, and then online, like, did anything I said, yes!
Wait, is the topic food?
Yeah.
That's not fair. You have an advantage.
Your topic is ice cream flavors everybody screams for. I hate you, go.
Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, ew. Cookie dough, ice cream. What else is there? Caramel ice cream, Neapolitan, mixed, cookie dough, cookie and cream. Don't read the topic out loud.
Read out loud.
Read aloud the clues as they appear. The less clues used to guess the topic, the more points the other team gets. Got it. 5. Trident.
Gum flavors.
Yeah.
Flour.
What to bake a cake with? Cooking. Baking.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon toast. Cinnamon buns. What the heck? Christmas.
Ginger. Apples.
Apple pie.
Yes.
Wow.
Essential ingredients for apple pies.
Next.
Oh,
I
wow.
win. I win. Ice cream time. We're eating this delicious cookies and cream ice cream.
There's nothing left in here.
It's empty?
There's a little bit, but not enough for an ice cream party.
Oh.
Anyways, It's 12:38. It's been half an hour since we played what was it called? Outrageous. And we are now playing Song Association. Saathana is getting cranky because she hasn't slept since yesterday. I had my 2-hour nap, so I'm doing fine. What was I going to say? Oh yeah, I think she's going to win this game because she's good with lyrics.
I'm usually good at lyrics when I have sleep and when I'm in a good mood. But yeah, I feel myself just getting annoyed. You get 10 seconds for a word and you have to figure out a song with that word in it.
Your first word is back.
Back to you, Selena Gomez. That one.
Your next word is take.
Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it.
This is a Selena Gomez
No,
game.
you don't need it. Fetish, Selena Gomez.
Life.
Life of the party. We don't have the time to be sorry. Shawn Mendes.
Never.
Never say never.
Die.
I die for you. The Weeknd.
Oh,
I'll die
gotcha.
for you.
Away.
The one that got away. Katy Perry. That's not even how the song tune goes.
How are you so good at this? Give. That's
Give me love like her.
time.
One time. Justin Bieber.
Night.
Night. Night like this. I don't know what fuck shit.
Day.
Days like this, I want to get
Excellent. Man.
man down. Rihanna.
Dream.
California Dream. Katy Perry. Isn't it? California Girls, but California Dream bed. Rihanna.
It's California King Bed. It's not Dream
But she
Bed.
says, I'll be California Dream bed.
World.
You got the best of both
I cannot
worlds.
with you. Last one. Thank.
Thank you. Next. Thank you.
Well, you have the answer then.
So I did get 15 out of 15, right?
God bless. I can't beat that, but I will try my
Hey.
best. Here.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, go. Baby.
Baby, baby, baby. Oh,
Good.
I'm so good for you. Good for you.
First of all, it's, I just want to look good for you.
Same thing.
Keep.
Keep me. Keep.
Around.
Round. Oh, round and round. Does that count?
No. Again.
Again and again and again and again. I don't know what song it is. I just know she says again. Is it Demi?
Yeah. I.
The
E-Y.
eye of the tiger. Down, 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 down. 'Cause you're gonna hit me. Oh.
This is fall.
Fall. Cause you're falling. What's that song? Selena Gomez. Cause I know what the heck. Fall. Wow. Is there not a song?
Falling down.
That's what I was trying to sing.
But you didn't.
I did not sing it.
Breathe.
Tell me how I'm supposed to breathe with no air.
You.
You make me go la 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 la. La 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 la. I don't know what song that is.
Light.
Boys like you run around. Oh, girls like you run around. Guys like me.
It's don't.
Don't wanna break your heart. Wanna give your heart a break. I'm scared of one. Like you won't make a mistake.
Time.
I'ma give it to you one time, girl. I love you. One time.
World.
Oh no, I can show you the world. Shine, shimmer, splendid.
Fire.
I set fire to the rain. Watch it pour as I touch your face.
Only.
Oh, Debbie Lonely. I'm so lonely. Tears are my falling. God, I'm breaking.
That's not how that song goes. You ruined the whole song. We got 12 out of 15.
That's pretty sad.
Because I got perfect.
But that's good for me because I'm bad with lyrics.
Good job.
Alright, so we're done. Now let's find another game to play.
Yeah.
What time is it? Did that kill?
12:51 only.
Come on.
We have like 4 hours.
Yeah, we're stopping this at 5:30 when the
We're,
sun
like
rises.
our tactic is like at the 3-hour mark we'll watch a Tamil movie because that will last
3 hour
us.
ones.
But we know that once we start a movie, like there's no coming back.
I'm gonna
so
get sleepy. I'll
we're
get
trying to
comfy.
keep ourselves awake with this. I don't know why people do this willingly.
No sense.
Oh, I almost
My
fell
brain is
asleep
shut.
right there. I should close my eyes as an example. 11 p.m. So like today may have not been the best day to film. It is currently 1:50 a.m. so we're close to 2 o'clock.
3.5 hours left.
Yeah, we edited for like a good 45 minutes.
Yeah, that was
I think.
it kept us going. I didn't fall asleep while editing.
So we're gonna try doing a little bit of Zumba now just to get out of bed. So that lasted like 5 minutes. It just felt super weird because Zumba is usually done like in the morning to like give us energy, and we usually change into our workout clothes and things like that. But this was just to kind of wake us up and get out of bed. So mission accomplished, I guess. What are we doing now?
So we found a great movie. It's called 2019 Full Tamil Family Thriller Movie, New South Indian Action Movie, South Movie 2019 uploaded. And from the comment section, everyone just said super movie, all the nice, best movie. So I'm guessing it's a great movie. So, ready to watch a movie?
I need food.
Yes, we'll get some snacks. And this 2-hour movie should get us through.
Till 4 a.m. It's 4:30, right?
Mm-hmm.
That movie was so
It's
stupid.
It's so crappy.
Oh my
But it got us
God.
through because we were just making fun of it, trying to figure out what's happening.
Yeah. What now?
We're just like so dead, we're so slow. I want to go to sleep now, but we have an hour left. I don't know what to do.
Should we answer deep questions?
No, I can't. My brain's not functioning. I had a headache.
Yeah. Like the eye still so like it's burning and then my head is hurting. Like why?
Why do people do this?
Why do we do this?
This was your idea. I never wanted to do
It's
this.
not even that entertaining. You just
so
see
boring.
us struggle. Yeah, my friend said I won't survive. Like
This is hard to
she
hold.
said I'll knock out at 3, but I survived till 4:30. I don't know. I wanted to see the sunrise, but it's still dark out right now. So
It's gonna rain too, so I don't think we'll be able to see a proper sunrise. It's not even worth it in the end.
So we stayed up till 4:30. Here's our all-nighter.